Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today, one of the top sellers is called CashGPT Empire from Alessandro Zamboni. He does lots of these guides of how to make money online, whether it's by low content publishing. And in this case, it's a different variation on it. 40 different ways to make money using artificial intelligence or ChatGPT. And he goes into it in a 140-page guide. I like to start at the finish. It's 17 bucks. And if you don't make 17 bucks out of 40 different ways to make money, somebody's doing something wrong. Let's go inside and take a look. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There is a bit of a description of what it's all about, a bit of a description of some of the upgrade offers that are available with it as well. For instance, you get PLR rights for $27, and then a bit more about the what's involved, and 40 different ways to make money. You click the product box and you're there. You can grab it for 17 bucks. Let's take a look inside. I'm just making sure that we're on this page. There we go. So there's Alessandro Zamboni. He's from Italy. I like the ChatGPT to cha-ching. 40 ways to make money with ChatGPT, and they're done in minutes. So there's some other, you can get PLR. Here you go. Roadmap to 40 lucrative opportunities. 17 bucks, like I said. There's a lot of information here, but each service requires no more than 5 to 10 minutes to be created and delivered. And you're going to find, I think when we go down, there's a couple of descriptions of a few of these. So I'm going to scream through this and go right to, here we go. So here's some ideas. And he goes into obviously way greater detail than this, but look at this. Creating courses from a prompt. So educational courses, that kind of thing. Creating meditation scripts. So you can see that he goes into a lot of different areas. For each one of the 40 ways, he goes in, tells you a bit about the market, anything that he finds online, the prompts that he has for it already. So he's got the whole thing put together so that you can go in and make money. And so here you go. They'll show you how to make money with it. Every idea is broken into actionable steps. Just follow the roadmap. Ready to edit prompt for each task and place to find more. There's a bunch of different income generating avenues. And so you're going to learn more about what I'm going to call making money online. This is going to show you 40 different ways to make money. I'm going to cut it short here. I'm going to go back to looking at Alessandro Zamboni. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. And basically there's a description, bit of the upgrade offers, and you can click the product box and bam, you're here for 17 bucks. You can grab 40 different ways to make money online using ChatGPT or artificial intelligence. Fresh out today. It's one of the top sellers. Go check it out. You can trust Alessandro Zamboni. We've been doing this stuff for a while. There's also other guides. When you go to my site, there'll be something at the bottom that says you might also like. The very bottom of that post, it'll show you some of the other make money online kind of guides that he's put together. First, like low content publishing. You'll see that he really delves into this area. But this is the best one, I think, because artificial intelligence is the hottest thing going. It does the work for you, and 40 different ways to make money. And it's 17 bucks. Go check it out. Links in the video description. It'll take you to go check out CashGPT Empire. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.